Did you know that you can start a remote home cleaning business? In this video, we show you how PocketSuite can help you run a successful cleaning business from the comfort of your own home. If you like this video, please hit the like button and remember to subscribe for future content. So, what is a remote home cleaning business? A remote home cleaning business is where you'll manage a team of cleaners in your service area totally remotely. You don't even have to clean yourself if you don't want to, but a lot of the business owners in this niche are very hands-on. This kind of business does come with its own drawbacks, but with an intuitive tool like PocketSuite to manage some of your tasks, you'll be able to run a successful business. Okay, first off, you need to choose the right CRM to help manage your remote cleaning business. Your cleaning business may be remote, but you'll still have to take on those nitty-gritty daily business management tasks like scheduling appointments, sending invoices, or following up with clients after a cleaning. A good CRM or booking app will automate a lot of those processes so you can spend more time doing what you love. Next up, you'll need to find and onboard your team of top-tier cleaners. Of course, you'll need great cleaners in the field, but onboarding those cleaners can be very difficult, especially with a distributed team. PocketSuite makes it easy. You can easily add new cleaners in the app, set their roles, manage their availability, and assign specific jobs to them straight from your phone. Next up, let's talk about marketing your remote home cleaning business to attract new clients. As a home cleaner, you should use local marketing and local lead generation strategies to bring in new business. This can be as easy as setting up a Google business profile and optimizing that profile for leads and reviews. PocketSuite makes this really easy. You can do it in a couple minutes in the app by connecting your Google business profile to the PocketSuite app and adding a Book Now button to your Google business profile. So you'll get booked straight from Google, and you can even use the app to solicit reviews from clients after they complete a service. This is a great way to attract and retain new clients. Another way to market your business locally is to use social media. For instance, Facebook. You can join Facebook groups where you can connect with potential clients or even learn from home cleaners. Number 4, client management and organization. Once you've attracted all those new clients with your local marketing strategies, it might be difficult to juggle them all, especially if some of those clients have multiple properties. In the PocketSuite app, we've eliminated any confusion that could arise from this scenario by allowing you to create sub-accounts for each of your clients' properties. That way, you, your team, and your clients can keep track of which property needs to be serviced. Finally, communication is everything for a remote home cleaning business. PocketSuite makes it super easy for you to stay in touch with your clients and your cleaners right in the app with our direct messaging feature. Go ahead and start a group chat with your cleaners or message your clients updates on their services or appointment reminders right there straight from your phone. You'll keep your team of cleaners and your clients in the loop effortlessly. PocketSuite is the best app to run a remote home cleaning business, so go ahead and click the link in our description box so you can sign up and get a 30-day free trial today.